Hey guys, so I'm back again with another lunch meal prep, aka slash cooking for bae. Today we're making turkey taco salad. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm just gonna start cutting up my tomatoes. I'm using red and yellow cherry tomatoes in this salad. I'm just cutting it right down the center. Ooh, one soldier got away. No big deal. Then we're gonna cut up the cucumbers. So I'll be back when it's time for cutting up the cucumbers. Alright guys, so now we're just going to slice the cucumber down just like this, circular. We already have the, ooh, I keep losing soldiers. We already have the tomatoes in that shape, so we want to play with textures always, no matter what we're making. Even if it's as simple as just a salad. I'm only doing 2-day meal prep because, of course, this is a salad. After the second day, pretty much your vegetables are dead. I don't know how people do their meal preps for 4 and 5 days when it's just a salad. Yeah, so this kind of salad, I suggest 2 days. But again, it's totally up to you. Alright, so now I'm just chopping the peppers. These are the peppers I'm going to saute with the turkey. I'm not going to make my turkey very wet because you don't want to ruin the salad. But once I plate it all up, you guys will see how I set him up for lunch. Because basically when he go to work, he's going to have to put it all together himself. Alright guys, so I added the peppers. And now I'm just going to turn it down to medium so the peppers can get a little tender. And that's it. I'm not adding any water to this. I'm not adding any butter, nothing. And I sauteed this in some coconut oil. That's what I use. And that's it. And this is the turkey for the salad. Alright you guys, so to my turkey meat, I'm going to add garlic powder. Remember to watch your salt. I'm not putting too much salt in here. I'm using pink salt, about a half a teaspoon of salt. This taco seasoning that I have has 0 sodium, has no salt in it. I got it out the supermarket in Kroger. This is the, let me see if I could, Orego taco seasoning, Ortega, I'm sorry, taco seasoning. And I got it out of the Kroger supermarket. It has no salt in there, which is what I like. I'm going to season this up with that. Most likely I'm going to add more. Make sure you do it to your taste. And some pepper. That's it. Keeping it pretty simple. And since I added salt here, I'm not adding salt into the salad, you know, so. Alright you guys, so I'm going to show you how this part of the salad is going to go. Make sure your hands, your bowls, your containers, everything is always clean. I have a bag of spinach here. Spinach goes down. You can use lettuce. Absolutely, yes, you can use lettuce. I know someone's going to ask. You can absolutely use lettuce. Put it down on there. Just like that. You don't want to pile it too much because remember it's a lot of toppings. Then you're going to go in here with your cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar. Cheese is optional. For him, no. But for you and anyone else out there that doesn't want cheese, you don't have to add cheese in here. Then you're going to go with your onion. Thinly sliced onion pieces. Remember, I'm only doing this for 2 days. And then I'll make something else for midweek on. Then you're going to put your cucumbers down in here. Because we're not adding the dressing directly to the actual salad itself, the salad is not going to die by Tuesday. It may take, if you have multiple compartment containers, that's perfect. I don't, but you're going to see what I'm about to do. Alright, so this is how I'm going to handle the tomatoes and the dressing. Remember, if you have multiple compartment containers, use it to your full advantage. I don't have any. I need to get to the dollar store, so please don't judge me. Anyway, on top of your dressing, you're going to put your tomatoes. So that when he he can just pour it all over the salad and has the dressing and the tomatoes down in there. And he'll be good to go. So I'm doing this evenly. And then I'm going to get a third container for the meat. I wish I had some more containers, but I do not. Right. So now you're going to take your meat and put it down in here. You don't need too much meat. You don't need too much. That's about it. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Ziploc bags, and I'm using these tortilla strips. It looks like it's a lot, but again, that's because of my containers. But it's really not. Once you put these salads together, they're pretty balanced. And this is how I'm going to send him off with his strips. In a Ziploc bag. Now for the meat. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like before I cover it up. Right here is for Monday. As you can see, the tomatoes, the vegetables, and the meat. Over here, tomatoes, vegetables, meat. He also gets an apple and a bottle of water or two bottles of water. And some tortilla strips. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, this meal prep. It did seem long because of my mishaps, but it's good, it's delicious, and fail proof, sog proof. Your salad won't become soggy if you do it this way, or if you have a multiple compartment container. And yep, so I'll see you guys next time on my next one. Bye guys.